Clearing the waters, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, clear the water. This idiom is a wonderful example of how English uses imagery to convey complex ideas in a few words. So, let's dive in and clear the waters of understanding around this phrase. Clear the water is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of removing confusion or misunderstanding in a situation. Think of it like clearing muddy water to make it transparent and easy to see through. This phrase is often used in scenarios where there's a need to clarify things or resolve uncertainties. The origin of clear the water is quite literal. It originates from the physical act of removing debris or disturbances from water to make it clear. Over time, this physical action became a metaphor for clarifying situations or solving problems. It's a brilliant example of how language evolves from literal meanings to figurative expressions. Using clear the water in conversation is simple. It's best used in contexts where you're trying to resolve a misunderstanding or explain something more clearly. For example, let's clear the water about yesterday's meeting. I think there was a miscommunication. I want to clear the water regarding the project's objectives to avoid any confusion. There are similar expressions that convey the same idea. Phrases like, clear the air, or set the record straight, are often used interchangeably with clear the water. Each of these idioms has a slight nuance, but they all focus on the idea of clarification and resolution. And that's a wrap on clear the water. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting English idiom for you. Remember, idioms are a fun and engaging part of learning English, and understanding them can really help you become fluent and sound like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate more exciting aspects of the English language in our future videos.